Hey guys, welcome back to part 3. Man, I should have done it completed with a single part. Why am I even doing this? Anyways, so this is actually part 3. So we are starting from where we left off. So yeah, we need to verify by calculation that the root lies between 2.2 and 2.6. Sorry. Why is it lagging? Okay. So it should be like ln x minus 1 minus. Wait. Okay, so the thing is, yeah, first we need to do x is equals to 2.2. I got confused for a moment because I thought that was it's a part of iteration. I mean the question related to iterations. So yeah, anyways, so then we input the value. Where do we input the value? I believe here. Yeah, 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 ln x minus 1. We input the value here. So let me just write the equation in case. But I don't even need to write it actually. Yeah. Wait. I think writing could have been faster anyways. So we first of all we put the value 2.2. Just also flip the equation. So yeah, 1 by 2.2 minus 1 minus 2 ln 2.2 minus 1 is basically f 2.2. And it comes we can do it directly, right? Like no need to write that many values and all. Just it's equal to 0.469. Is this correct? I'm sorry for the background noises. Anyway, so this value is positive, so this value is negative. So yeah, I think yeah, this was it. Okay, so this iteration actually, what the hell? Okay, so this part is supposed to be easy. Let's see. So for part 1, actually I don't think, wait, we don't have the value of x1 given. So let's write the equation first. Yes, this is the equation, right? I mean, I guess this is the equation that we are supposed to use this on. Let's see. If we input the value, okay, fine, I made a mistake. Wait, I'm not here in my calculator. I'm not sure if this is actually the equation that we are supposed to put the value in. Yeah, this is actually the equation. So the value of x1 is actually not given. So if it's not given, then we need actually to use the middle value of 2.2 and 2.6 here. So you don't need to show it, I guess, like the value of x1, how we're finding it. But let me just show it. So it comes to 2.4. I mean, it's pretty easily figurable. Yeah. Okay, so we have 2.4. So x2 should be, and yeah, guys, you actually need to show the substitution in at least like one of the values. Wait, the value of x is 2.4. Let's just directly write 2.4 minus 1. Yeah. So the value is 2.42. After that, you don't need to show the value. Wait, what is the question? To 2 decimal places. Okay, so we need to give in 4 decimal places. x3 2.4188, x4 2.4225, x5 2.4212, and we need to obtain the final answer. Give the final answer to 2 decimal places, so it will be 2.42. Final answer. Okay, we need to do the integration here, right? I don't think the part 1 and part 2 are related. Let's see. Is it integration by parts? If it is, then we need to use the formula given in AMF 19. Okay, the formula that we are going to use is this one. So what is u? X. So du is actually 1. Du is actually basically u prime, basically differentiating u. Yeah, du by dx or du. Wait. So what's v? Cos x square x? No. dv is actually cos x square x. So v should be the integration of cos x square x, which should. Okay, so we don't need to give plus c here for some reason. Anyways, so what is the integration of cos x square x? Like, let me just quickly check that. So we can just use 1, the integration of 1 by sine square x, I believe. Or wait, it would actually be a bit difficult, I guess. I don't know, man, it's confusing. I guess, yeah, we need to bring cot. It's basically cos x square x is if you integrate it, it's basically, I'm not integrated. Wait. Negative is basically negative cot x plus c. Yeah, that's basically it. And yeah, we need to give plus c in only one side, not like on both of the sides. So it should be integration of u is x dv is cosec square x u negative cot, so it doesn't look like u, does it? Cot x, c is not necessary current label if yes, it is u v yeah. So yeah, pretty confusing if you ask me. If I made a mistake, u is actually x, so x negative, wait, yeah, fine. I don't think we need to write plus c right now since we're still doing integration. Yeah, so it would be x cosec square x negative x cot x minus plus, sorry if my integration sounds look weird, I meant sine cot x dx. Since the integral cot x is long, wait, what? Guys, the thing is, there are some formulas that, like, maybe you wouldn't remember or you didn't know if you actually don't do the question papers. Like I just got to know that the integration of cot x is actually ln sine. Wait, it won't fit. Basically, yeah, it's actually ln sine x. Modulus, ln modulus of sine x. So this is actually x cot x plus ln modulus of sine x. Actually, the thing is, a lot of questions in P3 have integration. So I feel like integration is like the most important chapter or maybe part of P3, the whole P3 paper. It's just integration and integration in every damn question. Most of the questions. So, yeah. Should I do it on the right side? I don't like, okay, let's switch to the left side actually. So that we can have some more space. So, yeah. Let's put the values, the limits. So if it's pi by 2 is negative pi by 2, cot pi by 2, Wait. The thing cot pi by 2 is actually 0. Let me just check again. Okay, so I was actually doing 1 by 10 pi by 2 in my calculator since there is no cot button there, and it's actually an error. So the thing is 1 by 10 x is actually 1 by sine x by cos x, because 10 is sine x by cos x, which is cos x by sine x. But here the value of cos x cannot be 0. So if the value of cos x is 0, then this is not a valid step, and at x is equals to pi by 2, the value of cos x is 0. So this is not valid. So what we need to do is in calculator is cos pi by 2 divided by sin pi by 2. Wait, what? Did I miss something? Let me just do it. Anyways, whatever, I don't properly understand why doesn't it work. It just doesn't work. Like if it happens to with an exam, and if you're not lucky, you're damned, like I would be. So let's just get this over with quickly. Yeah, where are we again? Yeah, we were putting the level of the limits. Yeah. So cot pi by 2 is 0. So 0, and sin pi by 2 is actually 1. So 0 plus ln 1 is actually 0. Yeah. And if we put pi by 4, I'm just putting the values directly. Since like I'm sleepy, tired, and all. And I don't know, like, is it because I'm tired and it's a night, or like if these things are this complex, then how are we supposed to solve it in the damn test? So it's actually 0 minus my negative pi by 4 plus, I mean I already put the values, what I'm doing. So it's pi by 4 minus ln 2 to the power minus half. Wait, what did they ask for again? 1 by 4 pi plus ln 4. I mean 2 to the power minus half. What is 2 to the power minus half? Ln a to the power b is actually okay. The thing is ln a to the power b is actually b to the power ln a. Yeah. So is that low? It will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 ln 2. It's pi by 4. What did they ask for? Pi by I think if we take 5, it will be 1 plus ln 4. Wait, what? Okay, no. The thing is, is it still square? And this is done. So I guess I only have partial fraction left. That's pretty easy. I mean, yeah, now that I've done it, but I will actually do it in the next process. It's really late at night. Then there's another integration, and then I just was it completed? I don't remember. I need to see. And I just need to do this complex number question. Actually, I'm gonna do it actually in the next part, which will actually be the final part. Like, yeah. Sorry for dragging it like Attack on Titan, but yeah, I really need to sleep right now. So yeah, see you in the next part, and that will actually be like the final part of this paper, hopefully. And I don't know, man. Is this actually complicated or what? Bye.